right, that fool's still on the property. I thought I was done with that shit. That fool's still over here. Holy shit, that fool, we just ran up on each other. All right, so he's scared. But I still have this fucking knife right here. My boy just got home. All right, so hopefully he didn't go in the fucking garage. He's probably out here because of the freaking rain. Holy shit, that fool was like right up on me. Fuck, this fool, where's this? Oh, he's right back there. Look at him. Right there. See, Christopher's home right now.